Hey gems, how you doing? How's the kid? How's the dog? And how's the grass? All good and swell? Okay, so right now I'm in my baño and I will be putting this hair mask on that I made in my last video. This is what we have. It's a mask full of a lot. When I tell you a lot, it's a lot, because I'm the type of person that I just put everything together because it benefits me and I don't think of contraindications, which is probably not a good thing. But we're gonna act like that. But so far I've been doing it all my life and has been working for me, so I will continue to do just that. So we're gonna be putting this mask on and leaving it in overnight, and I will give you the results once I do take it out. So this is the mask. Nice thick consistency, and we're just gonna put it on my dry hair. So this is my dry, crusty hair, dry, crusty. So you see the color at the ends. You see how it's a bit drier towards the end. I mean, it's still kind of cute because I've been moisturizing my hair for life. But because I'm gonna be doing this color, you gotta prepare. Whenever you're doing anything, whether it be braids, you're coloring, you're about to put heat, whatever it may be, you want to prep your hair. You don't want to just like, if you don't know how to swim, you're not about to just jump in the ocean. Maybe you should take swimming lessons, kind of things like that, you know. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna prepare before we go and fry my hair. Okay, so my hair's too short to really section because I also did cut it again, and so we're just gonna go. My grandpa got to come because he hears me talking to myself, and he don't know that I'm talking to this. Oh, it's the silicone. Qui ça? Oui. Huh? Imanique. Ma pala a caméra. A caméra. Oh. Good job. Qui ça? So yeah, he thought I was crazy, like I told y'all. So he came to check on me, girl. Cause he's like, who else has she got in this house? My grandpa nosy, okay? When I say nosy, I mean nosy. Oops. I'm gonna save the rest, which I have a lot left, for tomorrow after the whole procedure. And then I'm gonna continue to use that after the procedure to make sure that my curls are still here, because and this is how I will be going to sleep for the whole night. And we'll see tomorrow. My hair better my hair tomorrow better be silkier than silk, okay? Like that's the best I had. It just better do what it's supposed to do, because I ain't do all of this for nothing. It's like, nah. All right, so you guys will see the results tomorrow. And please, gems, do not forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let your girl know how you feel, and I will see you next time. Hey, so I just got out the shower, and this is our results. My hair feels amazing. That's one. I don't know how I could really show you guys this, but like, hold on. The back feels, the back feels super defined, and like, oh my gosh. Now imagine if I did this, I'm doing this again after my wash, like, so after I lighten my hair, I'm pretty sure my hair is gonna, you know, do some of these curls, and yeah, we're gonna see a result of what it's like when it's dry, because I'm gonna let it air dry just to see what happens. But I can tell you, it's mask. This mask, that is job. Now you don't have to use all of these ingredients, you know, you can mix and match, use what you want, but like I said, I put everything together and see what we get, and so far we got amazing results. Like, I really, this feels super curly. All right, so I'll see you guys later.